That's crazy. I'll wait till I get out. You got your seat.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep. Okay. All right, guys. What is happening? So we're leaving the IKEA in Charlotte, and needless to say, we were extremely disappointed with the IKEA in Charlotte. I'm not sure what's going on with retail anymore, but we just come out of here. First thing is now I realize it's, the first of the year is January and they're probably like redoing the store, but it's like half of the area was closed off, like where you see all the furniture. They had big drapes up where you couldn't see half the stuff. And then here's the kicker, and I wish I would have recorded it, but we've already walked out. So we wanted to eat the Swedish meatballs. That's the thing to do at the IKEA. And so we decided to eat after we got done, buying what little bit of stuff we bought here. And the cafeteria area, where they have the Swedish meatballs and the food and stuff, it was literally a mess. Like, there were no employees working in there. The line was almost out to the steps where you go up, where you go up there. And all the tables are dirty. There were racks and racks and racks and racks and racks of used plates and people's dirty plates and dirty food by the trash cans. And the trash cans were full. Every table in the place. I wish I'd have recorded. I just didn't pick up the camera. But I wish I would have recorded. Every single table was dirty. Flat out dirty. All right, so guys, come on, IKEA. What's going on, IKEA? Y'all can do better than this. What? It's after Christmas. What's going on? Did you lay off half your employees or after Christmas or something? Y'all gotta do better than this, guys. We drove 3.5 hours from Raleigh to the IKEA, just to buy a little bit of knickknacks and stuff and eat the meatballs. And we didn't eat the meatballs this time. I wish I wouldn't have bought what I bought right here, because it was really a disappointment in IKEA. Y'all gotta do better than this. Y'all really gotta do better than what you're doing. Come on, let's clean it up. If not, you ain't gonna be around Charlotte much longer, I can tell you that. All right. That's my IKEA advice for 2026. If you want to go to the IKEA Charlotte, beware. Get y'all next one. Peace out, everybody, and IKEA.